in terms of what excites me about current trials, I think everybody likes the LAG-3 antibody. That's just been approved in the US. I suspect it'll get approved elsewhere with nivolumab as a combination therapy. I believe it'll probably replace the use of single agent PD-1 blockade in metastatic melanoma. And the Nivo-LAG-3 versus neoadjuvant trial, I think, has great promise. Hopefully that will be a positive study. That's an exciting study. There are a couple of studies with novel agents that are there to stimulate IL-12, which I like. I think it's a very interesting cytokine. There will be new solid tumor CAR T trials that include melanoma patients. I think those are all exciting. And then neoantigen vaccine approaches with PD-1 blockade. That's already been through a small randomized phase 2 study, and we look forward to seeing the results of that small phase 2 study mature hopefully this summer. So those are the things that excite me the most.